Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. My name's Ivan. I run an AI automation agency called N8n. If you want any help with anything relating to business and AI, you can book a call with me in my Calendly link below. So here I have a flow that essentially creates a blog post, then another agent edits that blog post, makes it as good as possible, and then a third agent generates an image to act as a sort of thumbnail to go along with that blog post. So if I start with a quick demonstration, refresh what happened below. What happened before, I mean. So if I pick a subject, like let's say the model context protocol. So first up, this one starts writing the blog post. It's using SERP API here to do research online, get all the information it needs to then write the blog post it wants to write. Then that gets passed to the editor there, that improves upon it. Then when the content editor has finished, that gets passed to this node that saves it to a Google Doc. This Google Doc here. There we go. There we are. It's written the blog post there. And then this final node will generate us an image to go alongside that blog post, act as a thumbnail. And there we go. We can see that image there. There we go. Nice techie image. Cool. So let me break down exactly how I have done this. So we start with a chat trigger when chat message received. Move my face out of the way. Then we've gone to message a model. There we go. So we've used the model GPT 4.1. We've told it your job is to write an informative and engaging blog post on the subject of, and then I've just dragged the chat input in there. And you have access to SERP API in order to research using the web. We've told it to limit what it comes out with to 2,000 words. That's quite a simple prompt I've used there. Feel free to mess with that prompt, give it more detail in terms of the sort of style of writing and exactly how you want the blog post all broken down by paragraphs, anything like that. So yeah, feel free to give it more information. I've done it quite basic there. Then we've got a content editor. And then we've put, you're a content editor, you are past a blog post and your job is to improve upon it. Here is the blog post and I've just dragged that there. I've said output only your improved version, limit to 2,000 words. Then we've got this Google Doc here. We've got the URL for that Google Doc, put that there. And then just put content, just drag that in there so that the content that the content editor gives us is what gets saved to the Google Doc. And then here I have an OpenAI generate image using the model DALL-E 3. And then I put your job is to generate an image that matches the following topic to act as a thumbnail for a blog post. And basically I've just gone back to the beginning when chat message received and just dragged in the chat input. And there we are. That is your AI agent right there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.